Woman charged with boyfriend's murder. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. A 27-year-old female from Westmoreland has reportedly confessed to the murder of her 50-year-old boyfriend. Dead is Vernon McIntosh of a Savlamar address. Facing a murder charge is Daniki Sigri of Morris Hartford District. Reports from the Savlamar police are that at around 11:40 p.m. Wednesday, McIntosh visited Sigri's home following a breakup conversation they had the day earlier. An argument reportedly developed where McIntosh got boisterous and hit Sigri in the face. Sigri allegedly took up a knife and used it to inflict stab wounds on him. He was rushed to the hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. On Friday, December the 20th, the accused reportedly gave a caution statement to the police, confessing to the murder, after which she was formally charged. Her court date is to be finalized. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.